In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most kind. Miss Shabana welcomes you in her next lesson with a thought-provoking message that don't get it right, get it written. Let's start. We are working on speaking skill and the objective is to practice English speaking by using different questions. Let's have a look on the questions. Do you like tomato soup? Would you like to go to Mars? Would you like to be a journalist? Do you like flowers? Do you have pets? Are you afraid of darkness? Do you have low self-esteem? Do you have any scars? Do you have protruding ears? Would you like to visit China? Do you like to travel? Would you like to be a millionaire? Have you ever eaten in McDonald's? Would you like to live 100 years? Do you iron your t-shirts? Have you ever been abroad? Do you like horror movies? Do you have a cat? Do you like a hip-hop music? Would you like to go into space? Would you like to do a bungee jump? Do you know someone who is a celebrity? Do you know a person who sings nicely? Have you ever had something broken? Have you ever been in a hospital? Do you write nicely? Do you like ketchup? Do you drink coffee? Do you wash your hair every day? Do you like a dark chocolate? Have you ever raced through a red light? Students, it's an exercise. You must practice it. You must ask such type of questions to your friends to get their answers. In this way, you can enhance your speaking skill. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and take care.